Si Hanelet lang ang nag-show sa akin doon sa maliit na pasilyo papunta doon sa bedroom kung saan sinet up ang kanyang booking process sana, yung mugshot at saka yung mga pang fingerprint na mga gamit.
Which never happened?
Which never happened. Yeah. Pinagbigyan na lang namin, sige na lang. Anyway, at the end of the day, the ICC will take custody of you. It will be your mugshot will be taken, your fingerprint will be taken for records purposes. Hihingi na lang kami through official channels.
Is that a flaw, though, in the process that this was skipped?
Admittedly, that's something that is not skipped under regular circumstances. Kaya nga sabi ko sa kanya, kay former PRRD na, alam mo sir, sa dami nung nahuli ngayong araw na to, March 11, sa iba-ibang parte ng bansa, sa iba-ibang paraan at sa iba-ibang mga kaso, may mga nahuli rito by virtue of warrantless arrest, may mga nahuli by virtue of the service of warrant, gaya mo, at may mga nahuli by virtue of an implementation of a search warrant. And all of them, I'm very, very sure, all of them underwent booking process, brought to a medical facility to be examined, which in your case, doktor na, a medical facility na ang dinala namin sa'yo. At ang booking process ay dinala namin dito. Nakaupo ka sa upuan ng presidente na dati mong upuan yan. May iba na hong okupante dyan.